If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Tiny Desk Korea, so it's filmed in Korea this time. Ooh, let's go band. I heard Raffi knew one of the singers, and it's all usually live too. Live mics on and everything. Ooh. Oh. Let's go. Ooh. Let's go. Man, they even got a saxophonist there. You already know they're gonna kill this. This song is so sad, by the way. I love it. Love the sax. Adding a sax to anything is just beautiful, I feel. Ooh, I hear the bass. The bass player doing it. Let's go drums too. Ooh. Let's go, Miss Ma'am. Let's go, keys. Is this like transition to the next one? Or no, we're continuing. Woo! Yes! Ooh, the chills. Let's go, keys. Pop off. I need to know everybody's name of this. This is if V ever did a tour, solo tour, this is what I expect. Okay, guitar. Wow.
안녕하세요. 방탄소년단의 비입니다.
Let's go, V.
컴백을 했습니다. 그리고 제 밴드들 소개할게요.
Yes, introduce your band.
Jrekml.
What is that? Jazz flute? What is that? A clarinet? I don't know what it is.
Blake.
Did you say Blake?
Kate. 그리고 drum Destin.
Destin. Woo! Let's go drums.
My chorus Trudy, Yanu, Jay. Keyboard Red White.
Oh, he killing that. Ooh. Live instruments just hit different, yo.
많이 기다리셨죠? 정말 기다려주셔서 감사합니다. 이번 앨범 타이틀인 슬로우 댄싱을 이제
The normal sax
부를
is tenor
건데,
sax. Hey, yo, legit, Barry Tweet just said what I said. V better come to a Barnes & Noble's near me. This is Barnes & Noble's music. Like, I don't know how V, if he ever does a solo tour, how it's gonna feel. But I know damn well, I don't know. I don't think it's gonna be like, yeah, because that's not that type of music he's putting out. I feel like it's gonna be like a glass of wine, or if you're not of age of drinking, a glass of warm milk and cookies. But the adults will be drinking scotch and wine. Or makgeolli, and we're just gonna vibe out. And I feel like you have to be like what is it, not formal wear, but like everybody just dress up for it. You know how like everybody dress up for like Beyonce? I feel like it has to be like that. It's definitely lounge music. V treated him all to dinner. As he should. Let's go, V. Like classic look. It's quite the event. I'm telling you.
많이 관심 가져주세요.
All right, next song. This is already hitting my buttons. I love it. Aw, he's asking. He's just saying, "You guys good?" Get some water, y'all. Y'all need some water? Ooh. Okay, get that shit. Woo!
It's about time we get it straight. Give me a minute if it ain't too late.
Okay. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. This is a unique voice. Could be slow dancing. That's the song name. I can't believe I forgot it the last one in the other reaction. Or even a speakeasy bar. Ooh. That speakeasy bar is gonna be packed. Or he doesn't even have to announce it. He could just do private performances. You know what V is? He's a private Vegas show. You know how Bruno Mars and Anderson .Paak or Silk Sonic has done like a Vegas show? But I don't know. I've heard. I still need to go see him live. But they take your phones away. They take your phones away so that nobody records and it's just you're all in the moment. I think he's going to do that. You live in Las Vegas? Am I manifesting this just for you? Maybe. Right? So I'm thinking like he would do something similar to that. Maybe. I don't know. But we'll never know. Or maybe he won't. I just would love to hear it live. Like in person. Oh. Hey, bassist hair's herring. Hey, hey, hey. Slow dancing, y'all. We could be what? Romancing. Ah! Woo, let's go, sax. Hey, I love a good saxophone, bro. I think my dad knew that I wanted to be a saxophonist, but they put me on clarinet first. But just seeing this, it's like, what could have been? Maybe I should have kept on going. Look at you, hype his ass up. Let's go, V. I love that he did that. He knows it's so fire. Ooh. Yes. Ah, he understands. A saxophone is so good. Bro, I need to bring my friend Cody Deer, who is a saxophonist. He plays, he's a saxophonist for Max. If you guys know who Max is, the guy that, if you don't know, he makes amazing music. Max, go check him out. He collabed with Yoongi from BTS, and Cody is just so good, by the way. Oh my God, just hearing it, I got to see his, anyways. I love a good sax, basically. That's all I gotta say. You know. Woo! Oh, he in his bag. Woo! Hey, let's go, drummer. Woo! Better pop off. He better pop off. And he doing it so. Hey. Let the sax just blow. Hey, and we on the street. Yeah. And I'm dancing with my feet. Just like V, vibing to the music. And that's just how you do it. That's all, you know. That's a jet. He makes it breathe. He makes the The instruments just like breathe and partake and just individually show off. I love it. That was fire.
이번 앨범 타이틀은 슬로우 댄싱을 들려드렸는데요. 가장 저를 잘 나타내는 앨범 레이오버의 타이틀이자 그리고 주인공인 슬로우 댄싱은 말 그대로 슬로우하게 춤도 추고 노래도 부릅니다. 이번 앨범은 잠시 스쳐가듯 그리고 쉬어가듯 지나가듯 머무는 휴식 같은 곡들로 채웠습니다. 저를 닮은 앨범이고요. 많은 기대와 관심 부탁드립니다. 그리고 1년 동안 이제 아미분들이 저를 정말 많이 기다려 주셨는데 늦은 만큼 이쁜 마음으로 꽉꽉 채워서 많이 보답드리겠습니다. 마지막 곡 For Us 들려드릴게요.
My God, my dumbass really thought I understood him. I was just staring at his face, literally looking into his eyes and just hearing his voice. I understood what he said, but I don't know what I'm doing. I'm sorry. I was like hypnotized. I'm like, yeah, nah. I'm just like, yeah, nah. No, damn well, I did not understand one word. At least some words, actually.
많이 보답드리겠습니다. 마지막 곡 For Us 들려드릴게요.
Let's go For Us. Is this the last song? Ah, but it's so good. It's so good. It's so good. Let's go. Woo! Let's go. The drummer's a vibe, bro. Sorry, I just noticed his nails. Oh my God.
There's a time to wait. We cannot
Let's get it. Let's go. Come on. Woo! Oh, you bring it in, sir. Woo! Alrighty then. Oof. The switch up right here. Woo! Let's go. Hey. Let's get it. Woo! Hey, hey, hey. Woo, let's go, vocals. Had that guitar with that bass.
들어주셔서 감사합니다. 지금까지 방탄소년단의 비였습니다. 레이오버 많이 사랑해주세요. 감사합니다.
Oh, that was nice. He's definitely happy. Damn. That's fire. That's fire. Everybody give it up. Give it up. That was fire. That was wonderful. That was a nice... I'm glad I watched this last. This was such a vibe. This was a good stream. As I get older, you can see how my music taste is kind of changing little by little. I still got the same music taste, but I just like... I don't know. I'm more of a vibey person, and this is just like me right now. I don't know. It's just quite interesting. It's interesting to me. It's a natural shift. It's broadened. Yeah, basically it is broadened. Yeah, it's the same thing, but it's just like I just broadened my horizons, which is a beautiful thing. And I feel like a lot of people need to broaden their horizons in general. You know, how else are you supposed to grow if you don't check out different things? No. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.